Hello, guys, and welcome to Code Make Life Simple. This is the third lecture of Laravel Masterclass from setup to deployment. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed how to create a fresh new Laravel application and what are models, migration, controllers, seeders, and how to use them, how to create a table in a database, and how to put some dummy data into it and how to fetch that dummy data or data from the table into our front end and how to show it in our front end. So this is the front end layout, a front end page that is welcome page. And in this, we have created some dummy products and fetch that data from our php table and fresh Laravel. This is the database. And in this, we have created some products table, as you can see. And there are some 10 dummy products, product price, product description, product image, and we are fetching this data. We are fetching these products table, product data, products into our front end. As you can see, this is the our front end, and in this, this is all we have done in the last lecture, and now we will be talking and learning about how to edit these products from our front end. And after editing the details, the after editing the new details that we have entered in our product should be saved here in the database, and then the product should be displayed differently. What we have done in the changes should be displayed over here. So we will be discussing this all this in this lecture, and stay tuned for learning this. Okay, so here we are. Now we will be learning how to edit any of these products from here. And to do that, I have created a page link. As you can see that there it is showing edit slash and product ID. So when we click on this, here it is showing not found because right now I have just uh, put some anchor tag with some referring URL in it, but the URL is not responding to any page. And to make it respond to any page, I have created some routes for getting it, like slash edit slash ID slash delete slash ID. And to make it working, I have used a redirecting controller, and in that we have created an edit function. So if we go to the app HTTP controller redirection controllers, there is no function now right now, and it is also not redirecting to the function because after writing here writing here new routes, we have to run a command so that our Laravel application can easily uh, it is cached. Routes are cached. So our older routes are cached and our new entered routes are not visible or are not visible and are not being able to run by the Laravel. So for that we have to run a PHP artisan route clear. Okay, so the caching is now cleared, route cache cleared successfully, and now we want to again cache it using this. So routes cache successfully. So now these two routes will also be visible to Laravel. If we now redirect, nice. Now 404 error has been gone, and now this is the error for that there is no function edit. And to create that function, we can just go here and type public function, and in this dollar ID would be the ID which we are getting, and return view okay. Okay, so now I've created the function as well, and if we go and refresh it, okay, so edit product is not there is no edit product, and as you can see, yes, obviously there is no edit product page, and for that we are going to create a product page, which plate.php. Okay, so now I'm going to put a normal form for our product details, so that we can update that form. So normally, what we have to do is like we have to create an edit product page. So now we have to create a page in which there should be a form in which there should be some input tags and other tags related to our details, related to our product details. So this is easy how to create a form. You can just get you can just Google it, how to create a form, how to create if you know how HTML, CSS, basic HTML and CSS, you can easily create that form. And so I will be right back after creating that form, and then we will be learning how to put how to change the details of that product in that form, and how to update that details into a database. So just I will be right back. Okay, before going to the creation of form in our edit product page. Before that, I want to show that yes, after creating a view, after creating a page, blade.php in our view, we are able to see that like it is getting redirected to that page. And as we haven't added any form and something in that, it is showing us a blank page. So which is easy for after I will be creating a form to edit our product. But before that, I want to pass the related product which we want to edit. Edit product is equals to tb table products where id is equals to $id, and we want to get it first. Okay, and this is that, and with edit. So by this command, we are sending the product detail that we want to edit or change by, as you can see that in the URL, we are passing the product ID into it in the URL. And with this is the product ID we are getting in this function. And by matching this ID with the ID, we are getting the product detail. And after that, okay. So by this, we are passing on the edit product details to our page so that we can map, or so that we can show our older details of the product in our edit product page. Okay, so this is clear to all of you. And now we will be I will be continuing this video once I create a form on our edit product page. So, okay, here we are again. I have created a edit product page in which I have created a form, product name, product image, and selected image is this. And with the name of this, the image name of this is this. So, product description and product image. Oh, sorry, that this should be product price. Let me change it. And this is going to be product price. Okay. So yes, now I have selected it, product price. Okay. So, and this is the current image. As you can see that I have opened the editing of product number 2, which is this. The product name is Quos, product is like you send date, something like that. I don't know. So this is the image, current selected image. So now we have what we have to do. We have to put an a action attribute in our form, which should be update product. Anything you can put anything here, edit product, and to pass on the product ID, we are going to use again this. So in this we have used Laravel method of converting an a variable into a string. that is using two curly braces and putting the edit product variable that is what we're getting from here. Edit product into our edit product page, edit product, and now we are using it as in like as the and the same it should be with the same as mentioned in here. Product name, product image. We are using all these things to map all the details that are currently in that product. So if we go here now, yeah, nothing over here because I've just updated the action. And if you want to check it, I can also check it for you. And we want to post it. Method will be post. And if I go in here and I just go into the form, yeah, the action is here and the action is here. So that's it. We have to pass on at the rate CSRF, which is a CSRF, CRSF or CSRF, CRSF, I guess, CRSF. Or maybe let me check it for you. Okay, so it is CSRF. Sorry, it was CSRF. Yeah, we were correct at that time. So after doing this, we again we have to create a route for posting our new data, product data into the database. So for that, we have created a what was the this was the route at which we want to make the action. So yeah, just again ID and again it should be gone to like app HTTP controllers. And for this, we are going to use another controller. We can make another controller like product update controller at the rate update. So this is going to be the function. Yes. So for creating this controller, we are going to copy the name of the controller and we are going to PHP artisan make controller and we are going to paste the controller name here. Yeah, controller has been created successfully and as we have added a new route in our web.php file, so we are going to clear it and again route it, cache it. So after doing this, yes. So now if we just click submit, yeah, it is going over the over update product with the product ID. But as we have not created the function, it is showing it like there is no product update controller update function does not exist. Okay, nice, perfect. So now we are going to open the product update controller app HTTP controllers product update controller, and in here we are going to create a function update, and in which we are going to write the code for updating the product details in our products table in our database. Okay, and as soon as we update the data in our products table, the changes can be shown in our front end. And okay, one more thing which we have to place in our form tag is encryption type, ENC and type, which is multipart slash form data. Okay, this is important to process our input uh, type file images. Okay, to process our input type file. And yes. Okay, so as you know that we have created an update function in product update controller to update our product details, and now which is coming from this form, update product form, in which the form will look like this, in which we have product name, product image, and product description, product price, and so our main focus is to change the details of the product by using this form and to link a new image to that product and to manage our storage over the server we will be deleting the old image linked to that product. We don't want that image, as you know, that we have linked a new image to the product, then there is no need to store that old image in our server. So to do that, we will be writing some code for our update function. As you can see that I have written some code. I have uh, yeah, I got the product ID for which we have product ID to know like which product we have to update, and that product ID is coming from here, from the URL action URL of the form. And by using that ID, I have fetched the exact product which we want to update and what kind of details we want to update, and from like the request dash input, that is the input tag from the form which is getting passed to the controller. So this is all clear to you, I guess, and we will be writing the afterward code for these. Okay, so you can see that we got the product name, product description, product price, which is coming from our this form, and we will be getting the name of the product, uh, like milk, and we will be getting this milk here in this product name. So we got all the information in product name, product description, product price, which is a normal text information. But now the main thing in this form, which you guys will be using, which is quite useful in like in today's web applications, that is the image, and to process that image into like resizing of that image, changing the format of that image, and to store that image in the server, and to delete the older image linked to that product or something like that. So these are some multiple functions of multiple things that we are going to do on the product. So to do that, we will be fetching if the condition for the request as file, and if there is some file, image file in the we have to take the name in the product image. Right. Okay. This is the yeah. This is the new image that we are going to link, and this is the older image tag, older image name. So in this input tag, we will be storing the older image name that we have to delete from the server because we don't require that anymore. I guess I've shown you that I have written some JS code. As soon as someone attaches a new image to the product, the older image name is going to be set in this input tag. For that, I have written the JS code, which is here, which is quite simple JS code. If I haven't showed you in the video, just tell me. I will show it to you because I don't remember. I have shown it to you in the video or not. So yeah. So now what we have to do is product image, and it has to be like this. And then we are going to open the if. So yeah. Now we are going to do $file. We are going to take a variable, and to what we are going to set in that variable is the file. And the file is going to be like this. Okay. So yeah. Okay. To resize the image and to change the format of the image, and then uh, not like for to do these functions or to do these things over the image, to resize it and to change the format of the image, we will be using uh, intervention image package, that is a composer based package, and the documentation of that package has been changed recently, which is and I am going to like yeah, and the documentation has been changed in the Laravel 10. So we will be using the new documentation, the new process, because the older one is not now not working in the latest Laravel package. So what are we going to do is like we are going to do it in image manager, again a variable, and then okay. Now to call that, we will be using new image manager, Okay. New image manager, new driver. So this is we are going to fetch, and now we are going to use this to do our operations over the image. Okay, so now we will be getting the file name, which is again a variable, and to what we are going to set in that variable is like uh, dollar file get client original name. Okay, so this is the function. Now to do like now we are going to we want to we want our image manager to read that image file, and to do that we are going to assign it a variable image. Let's see that this is the first image that we want to manage from our, like we want to create a copy of our image as we want. So to do that, dollar image is the first image that what we want to have the copy of the, like this is the replica of the image in what way we want that image. Like if we want to resize it, we can resize that dollar image anyone like at to any dimensions, and if we want to change the format of the image, we can also do that. So to do that, we are going to dollar image manager read dollar file. So in this, we are creating a image replica of by using image manager and by using a function read over the dollar file over our image that we have uploaded or selected to upload. Okay. So now what do we want to do is to like we have created a replica image dollar image, and now we want to resize it. So I have already copied it. We can use it like this. So here in this line of code, we are resizing the replica image, or the image that what we have got in our form, which the user has been uploaded to the which the user has uploaded, and we are resizing it to 400 cross 300 pixels. Okay, so if we want to create another image of another sizing of the same image, we want two sizing, like we want a 400 cross 300 and a smaller size or a bigger size of the same image. We can again do it like dollar image 2 is equals to dollar image, sorry, image manager read. We again want to read that file and we want to create another replica. So now again we can do it like this dollar image, okay, dollar image resize, and now we want to create a bigger or some sort of like smaller. We should like I should take it like smaller. We want to create a another replica of that same image, but of size 250 cross 250 cross 100. So we can do it like this. We can also create another one multiple. We can create multiple as much as resizing we want. So this is very useful. We all know that how it is. Okay. So now what we want is we want to get the file name, only file name, not the extension. Without the extension, we want to take the file name, and to do that we have a function which I'm going to take. This is only file name, which is equals to there is a function that is path info. Exactly. This is the function path info, and the variable which we have to pass it in here. First variable we have to pass it is the file name. Is the file get original client name that we have written here, and we have to pass it in here, and then path, and everything is going to be capital path info underscore file name. Okay. It's like underscore file name. Exactly. This is good, I guess. Now we have to pass the extension. Like we have to set our extension, what extension we are going to use. Like we if we want to change our extension. Obviously, like I am going to use WebP, which is the best for the like which is optimized format. The size of the image is going to be very less in this WebP, and it is very fast in loading. It takes a less loading time. So we are going to use WebP. I suggest you all to use the same format for images in your website or web application. Okay, now we will be creating some names for our image that we are going to store in our server. And to do that, we are going to assign a variable or a name, and it is going to be done using only file name. And I'm not assigning anything here because this is the first image, and we can save it like the same as the name of the image that is uploaded in the form. And yeah, and here we can yeah, dollar extension. Okay, but there is a thing which is we have to pass a dot in between. Okay. The same way we will be creating a second name for our second image of size 250 cross 100. And now we are passing another string that is second to differentiate between our first and second image. You can pass any static string. You can write small of this. You can also write small here because it is small sizing, whichever you feel good to identify the difference between both of your image extension. Again, extension. So this is done. And now we will be saving our image over the server. Okay. Now what I want is to save our image. We are going to use save function. And as you know, I have created uh, a folder in our storage folder in our Laravel application here. You can see it, app, public, and here we have a folder products. So what I want to do it is like I want to again save the related image that I have uploaded in the form, the user have uploaded in the form in the same folder in the storage, which is going to be acting as a like a folder from where we are going to fetch that image as like not only in our back end, also in our front end. Here the image is getting fetched from the same folder. I can show it to you in like this. Yeah, it is storage products and the name of that image. Yeah, same also in this page where the multiple products are being shown. So to do that again, we are going to get in here. Yeah. So storage underscore path is going to take us to the storage, and afterwards that we are going to do it like this. The path is app public product. Okay. And now what are we going to do is I'm going to just slash and then the image name, dollar name. Exactly. And 100. This is the compression rate or something like that. Like the quality rate. I'm going to put like you can put it 90, 100. 100 is the same as the quality. We are going to maintain the 90% of the quality or 80% of the quality. This is for that. And we are going to do it again for the image two. Yeah, we have taken it the name as image two. The same variable. And yeah, but the name should be name two. We have created another name. We don't want it to save both of the size resized image by same name. That will create a complication for us. Okay, looks like I have made a mistake. There should be no concatenation after that slash. There must be a comma after that. Okay. So in this save function, we are going to there we have three three variables that we have to pass. The first one is the storage path, where we want to store that image. So we have to the first is path, second is the name, and third is the image quality compression type uh, percentage, which we are going to set at 90. You can also do make it 100 as well. No issue. There's no issue in this as well. Okay. So this command stores the image in our storage folder with the correct resizing, and also by changing the extension of that image. Now, what we want to do, we haven't set the name in the in MySQL table of that image name, because we want to use that name dynamically. We don't know what is the name of the uploaded file in the form. So we want to take it dynamically. And to do that, we haven't set the new image name in the SQL table. To do that, we are going to again use that update product function, update product variable, which we have stored the correct product which we want to update. And to do that, we are going to product underscore image. I guess uh, this is the table name, I guess. So let me check. Yes, exactly. This is the correct one. And we are going to put the name. Now you will say that we are just setting the first name, and we are going to set the second name. We have set the first name, and the second name is also same, just some static string. So we can set some conditions for that as well. If you want to use the second image, we can set that to fetch that image. Just get the name from that table and put some static string, which we have also used here. That is going to be so easy, and that is not an issue. So we are just going to set the first name. And after doing this, what are we going to do is like we have to check for the older image, which is what we are getting from request dash input, which is also getting from a form. And the image name is older image name. This is like this. Okay. Okay. So in here we've got in this variable we have got the older image name, which is whatever the older image name is, which image is linked to the product currently. And after getting that name, we are going to create a variable image path. Okay. And again, this is going to be simple storage underscore path app public and products. So yeah, okay. We have by using the name, we have created a path to that folder, product folder, and to check whether over that path some file of that name exists. We are going to use this if file exists dollar image path. Yeah. If file exists, we are going to unlink or to delete that file from that folder, because we don't want that older image in that folder anymore. Okay. So if the file exists in that path, in that folder of that name, folder image name, we are going to delete it using this delete function. There is a function delete. Okay. So the function is like file delete, yeah, dollar image path. If the file doesn't exist, do nothing. And if there is no file in the product image, if the user hasn't uploaded any new file, image file for that product, for that particular product, do nothing. So I guess we are good to go. Now we can check our product update form, whether it is working correctly or not. We are going to product name books. I'm going to select any random image right now, and description should be like random. Price is going to be anything. And now I'm going to hit enter. Okay, intervention image manager not found. Okay, let me just get back to you. Let me just check it what happened right here. So there's saying no intervention. Okay, I guess I found the issue. We have used the correct, uh, we have called the correct functions, manager and driver. But the issue is like I have uninstalled it uh, from my Laravel application to tell you how to install this image manager intervention package, composer based package. And to do that, we are going straight towards the intervention installation documentation, which you can Google it, intervention image composer, and it will be easy installation via composer. And to do that, you can find the documentation how to use it as well. And to install it in my Laravel application, you can also get this command or you can use it like here. I'm going to use it like composer require intervention. Actually, the function is not been found because I haven't installed. I have installed it earlier, but I have removed it from my Laravel application to uh, show it to you how to install it correctly and then how to use it in the controller. So composer require intervention image and hit enter. This will make the install the important and the relevant files into my Laravel vendor folder, and then we are good to, yeah, here we have intervention. Now we are good to go, and we can use it. Just once the installation is completed, I'll be right back. Okay, so we can again try it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh it, and let's make another try whether it is working correctly or not. And price could be and hit enter in undefined variable extension. Okay, this is a typing error. Let me correct it for you. Okay, I guess the intervention image has been now resolved, but there's a typo error in my code. Extension where I have written extension instance of. Yeah, let me again refresh this one. Can't write image part two. What the heck? I guess I've used the wrong dashes here. I guess I've used wrong slashes instead of this one. It must be like this. Oh, these small mistakes makes me feel that what I'm doing. It happens with everyone, I guess so. Or not. Is it me only? Uh, okay, why I'm using this slash here? I don't think so. That I guess we don't have to use this anymore as well. Let me check. Let's give it a try. What we can do is give it a try. This is a very good lesson in life, not just for the code. Just give it a try. If anything happens bad in life, if it is not going good, just give it a try. Maybe something will change. Okay, so again, it is showing me some issue in here. Let me just get back to you once I'll figure out what is the issue. Okay, so I have found the issue. Actually, I was doing good before. It's just I don't have confidence on myself right now. I guess like I have to be more confident what I'm doing. There should be no comma. There should be a concatenating dot. Nothing else. Dash again, again a slash. So in this save function, we don't have to pass three variables. We only have to pass one variable with the name, with the path and name, and one is the compression rate. What kind of a, so let's again give it a try. Okay, before giving it a try, I guess we also have to change this one. And what we have to change is image path, the code till image path is correct, but we have to use some other function, not file and exist and file delete. We are going to use file underscore exists in again the dollar image path. And if that file exists, there is a function unlink dollar image path. Okay. Now it is correct. I guess this will work perfectly fine as a like line. And to know if it is working fine, we can also echo form submitted successfully. If the code works perfectly fine, echo this string. Okay, so let's give it a try again. Yeah, form submitted successfully. Correct. And now if we go it in here, okay, so image is not getting loaded, but some changes has been done, but why it is not showing me the change name, change description, and change price? Okay, just give me some time and I'll be back. Okay, so why it is only showing me form submitted successfully, but not updating the code is because again one of my silly mistakes. Like I have done everything correctly, but I haven't made it update like this update product, and I haven't made it that update like to update this thing. Okay, now I'm going to attach it. So silly mistake. Final update. Let's assign it to a variable. Okay, and if then echo yes. If final update is equals to one. Okay, yeah. We want to update this information in the table, and without doing this, we cannot update the details. Silly mistake. And let's again give it a try in the name of God. Let's again give it a try. Books making so much mistakes nowadays. I'm distracted. I'm fully distracted. Trial and just put some 71 price. Form submitted successfully. And in the name of God, yeah, we have got books, trial, work price 71, and some random image. At last and at final, we have good to go. I have shown it how to map a multiple products and how to change and edit these products. And in the next lecture, we will be understanding how to delete these and how. And after that, we will be completing this part of our lecture in which we will be learning how to. In this, I haven't created a page from where we can add new products, and we will be learning that all as well how to add new products because these products are getting some rent. These are these are from some random input. Like we have you, I guess I have used seeders to fill that table with some random products data. So yeah, stay tuned for some more things, and this will help in creating more dynamic and more functionality one web applications. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching my silly mistakes as well. Hope you guys will be learning something from this, and maybe you will be using this information in your life to grow yourself. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.